Welcome to another original JPJ Discovery video. Today's topic is different than usual due to a subscriber request. We thank JPJ Discovery followers for leaving comments to our videos. Today's topic is the smell of space. Space definitely has a smell that's different than anything else. That's a direct quote from astronaut Tony Antonelli after a spacewalk. And no, nobody is sniffing the vacuum of space. The smell shows up when astronauts come back inside, repressurize the airlock, crack their helmets, and the odor rides in on their suits. Here's the wild part. Hot metal, burnt steak, spent gunpowder, welding fumes. Smells like a campfire that did a semester in engineering school. So what is the explanation? There are two leading suspects. Suspect number 1, atomic oxygen. Out in low Earth orbit, intense ultraviolet radiation from the sun splits O2 into single oxygen atoms. Those atoms are super reactive spacesuits, handrails, the outside of the airlock. When the crew repressurizes and those atoms find friends again, they form ozone, O3. Ozone has that sharp, metallic, almost sterile smell you might recognize after a lightning strike or from a fresh photocopier. Picture a microscopic chemistry party happening the moment air floods back in. That reaction haze creates the hot metal vibe. Suspect number 2, PAHs. Polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons. These are ring-shaped molecules that show up when things burn incompletely. Charred steaks, diesel exhaust, even the smell on fireworks paper. In space, dying stars pump out PAHs like confetti, and the interstellar medium is full of them. They can stick to gear during a spacewalk, hitch a ride through the airlock, and then off gas in the cabin. Your nose translates that as burnt meat and spent gunpowder. There's also a bonus effect. Spacewalks flood materials with extreme UV and vacuum. That can leave high-energy radicals and broken molecular bonds on fabric and metal. When air returns, those surfaces snap into new compounds that have a welding shop tang. Important detail. The smell isn't floating around out there like a cosmic Yankee Candle. Space is a near-perfect vacuum, so no air, no traditional scent trail. The magic only happens after you bring the chemistry back inside with you. Astronauts say it's persistent too. Suits and tools keep that aroma for a while, like your jacket after a bonfire, but with more astrophysics. So if I had to sum it up, space smells like energy. Sunlight splitting molecules, atoms recombining, star-made soot sticking to your stuff. It's the scent of extreme physics cooling off in a breathable room. Next time you think of space as silent and empty, remember, when you come back in, it tells a story. And that story smells like burnt metal, ozone, and the ashes of stars. If you liked this little science sniff test, tap like, and I'll nose around for the next mystery.